My name is Christian Saunders and I'm the Assistant Secretary General of the Office of Supply Chain Management within the Department of Operational Support. Many people ask me, what does the Office of Supply Chain Management do? In short, we get you what you need, when you need it, where you need it, at a decent price. The favourite part of my job is having the opportunity to innovate and change the way we do things and help create a UN that we can all be proud of.
Hi, my name is Oscm. I am the Chief of Aviation Safety for Department of Operational Support. Well, my role is to look after your safety. So whenever you're traveling, whether it's a UN aircraft or a non-UN aircraft, it is mine and my team responsibility to look after your safety. Not comfort, just safety.